What is up, guys? It's your boy Jared Vlogs here, and in today's video, we're going to be installing a lift on my 2017 Chevy Silverado. Before we get into today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So, what we're going to be doing is painting the shock absorbers that came with the lift black because they came white. I was going to do candy apple red, but I don't know, I might get new ones, some Fox ones or something like that, so we're going to paint them black for now. But, we're going to get that done. So we got some all-in-one paint and primer here in a spray paint can. Paid $6 for this, so not that big of a charge. Also, we're about to be at 2,000 subscribers, so please go hit that subscribe button and let's reach 2,000 subscribers and let's get this lift done. So, what we're going to do is just spray the whole shock absorber down with black paint and primer. We got it all cleaned up. It's looking good, so let's get it done. Let's get right into it.
Alright guys, so a little change in plans. We are going to go grease up our ball joints because I don't have a grease gun, but I know somebody who does. So we're going to go get their grease gun, grease up the ball joints, head back to the house, and start installing the lift. The rear shocks got painted, all done, so we'll show you those when we get back. Let's head over, get my ball joints greased. See you there. Alright guys, so we made it back home, got our ball joints lubed up, greased up, and we're about to start putting the lift on the truck. So let's get right into it. What we're going to do is take 2 front tires off because we're going to do the front part first. So I don't really have anybody else to help me film right now, so I'm going to try to do my best and help you guys see what I'm doing the best I can, but there's going to be some parts I'm not filming, and that's just because I don't have anybody to help me right now. So I'm going to do the best I can. I hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. We're going to take the tires off. Alright guys, so we got it on jack stands, and we're just leaving the jack under there in case it falls. So it's still on the resting point, but it's secure. So now it's time for the tires to come off. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so now that we got the tire off, we're gonna take this tie rod off right here. Let's see, just put grease in it. We're gonna take that tie rod off, and we're gonna undo these bolts, and then we're gonna loosen our sway bar, and then we're gonna loosen the bottom ball joint right there, and whack it. Hopefully it'll come free easily. If not, then I have a tool for it to get it off with. So we got new control arms, we got upper strut spacer, bottom strut spacer, and a diff drop. So let's get into it. Let's get that tire rod off. Alright guys, so snowing outside. Still getting this done though. We took the tire rod off, then we took the upper ball joint off. Now we all gotta do, take the bottom strut bolts out, take top strut bolts out, take the strut out, take top control arm off. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the top of this, got those ones undone. The top of these, the one thing I figured out that works good for those ones up there is, hold on. Once I figured out that works good for those are these. They're pass-through wrenches, and you can pick them up at Harbor Freight, and they can go through that, so the bolt can, since the fender's up here and it's, you know, very small room, you can't get a big socket in there, and you can go from the top, but you have to take the airbox and everything out. So
I use that to get it in there, put one of those, whatever size it is on there, and then we wrench them off. So I'll show you how to do that. Alright guys, so it's a size 18, and as you can see it passes through, there's the top of the bolt up there, and then you just ratchet it off, because it's a small space right there, so now we can just break it free, like that. I put it on there last time with a gun, so it's a little harder. But we'll break it free like that, and you can go all the way around. So I just thought it was cool, something to show you guys. But, there we go. So let's get that off of there, and get the strut out and put the spacers in. Well, actually, not the spacers in, let's get this control arm off after that. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, so, took the old control arm out. These bolts, they're alignment bolts, so the inside one doesn't like really turn because it aligns it. So we got the new one in right here. Down here we got our top strut spacer on. We got it bolted up, and there's our old control arm. So now what we're gonna do is put our strut back in there and get it all lined back up. So let's get to it.